Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a bucket in Google Cloud. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now type in the URL box console.cloud.google.com/storage. Okay. Like so, just hit on enter and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you can go ahead and click on create a bucket from here. And as you can see here, here's the location pricing. Now we need a bucket, as it is needed as a fundamental container for storing data in Google Cloud. Or you might be needing this one to save a project, as it provides a secure, scalable, and accessible location for organizing and managing various types of digital files, including images, videos, documents, and large data sets. Now in here, just go ahead and give it a name. For example, my project bucket. All right. And as you can see here, bucket names are unique. Maybe you can just go ahead and add in some numbers from here, 1, 2, 3, like so. And then go ahead and add in some labels if you want to. If not, just hit on continue. And here, select the region. You have multi-region, dual region, and region right here. For example, Montreal. Hit on continue. Class standard, nearline, called line, archive. I'm going to go ahead and use standard. And you have hierarchical namespace right here as well. Now just hit on create. It says here public access will be prevented. If you want this one, just go ahead and make sure that enforce public access prevention is ticked. Okay, hit on confirm. Wait for it to finish. As you can see here, the site will reload. And here you have your bucket. All right. I'm going to go ahead over to a project right here, for example. This one. I'm going to open it up. And then I'm going to go ahead over to BigQuery right here. For example, I wanted to export a data set or even a table. I'm going to open up a table right here. Hit on export. As you can see, GCS locations will go ahead and click on browse, and it will need a bucket. Here you have your created bucket. Okay, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.